In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the height of someone in Adobe Photoshop. This task is handy when you need to adjust proportions or subtly enhance a subject in your photograph. Let's walk through these steps together, and soon you'll be transforming images with ease. The first thing you'll want to do is launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Having the latest version ensures you have access to all the current tools and features that make editing as streamlined as possible. Now, with Photoshop open, it's time to add your image. This is as simple as dragging your chosen photo into the workspace or using the File menu at the top and selecting Open to browse for your file. Once your image is loaded, you'll be able to see it on the main canvas ready for editing. The next step is to duplicate the layer. Layer duplication is crucial because it allows you to make edits non-destructively. This means your original image remains unchanged and you can experiment freely without permanent alterations. Duplicate the layer by right-clicking on your image layer in the Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer, or simply press Ctrl+J or CMD+J on a Mac for a quick shortcut. Now that you have a duplicate layer, it's time to transform your subject. Head over to the Edit menu at the top and then choose Transform, followed by Warp. The Warp tool is going to be our primary adjustment tool. It provides a grid over your image, which you can use to manipulate the contours of your subject. With the Warp tool activated, you'll want to create a line going vertically through the center of the subject. This line acts as a guideline to help you pull evenly and maintain natural proportions. Now gently drag this line upward. The key is subtlety. A small adjustment can have a significant impact. By dragging upwards slightly, you can elongate the subject, making them appear taller. Make sure to frequently step back and view the entire image to ensure the proportions look natural. As you make these adjustments, it might be necessary to tweak other parts to maintain visual harmony. The adjust step is about observing the entire image and ensuring that everything appears cohesive. Take your time to individualize any parts of the image that might need slight corrections. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, review the overall picture to make sure it still looks realistic and to your liking. Save your new image by going to File and selecting Save As, ensuring you choose the desired file format. Whether you're enhancing personal photos or working professionally, these steps will equip you with the skills needed to alter heights effectively in Photoshop. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to mastering Photoshop.